Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Calvin from Woodpecker Dental. Today we're going to be unboxing the LX16 Plus diode laser and going over everything that comes in the box. We carry two different types of diode lasers for the record, one of them being the LX16 Plus, which we're going over today, the other one just being the regular LX16. The primary difference is the three different wavelengths. Both diode lasers come with the 650 nanometers capabilities, the 976 nanometers capabilities, but only the LX16 Plus comes with the 450 nanometers blue wavelength capabilities designed for surgical procedures. Now that we have everything on the table, you'll see our diode laser here itself. You have three pairs of safety goggles, one pair for the doctor, one for the assistant, and one for the patient. Over here you also have your power cable in which you plug into the back of the unit. This can plug into any standard wall outlet. In front of us we have our tips, including the teeth whitening tips, general hygiene tips, and the surgical procedure tips. This is the cutting tool for each fiber tip, so after the ends are charred from being used, you can use this serrated edge to cut off the ends of the tips so that they can be reused. This is the bending tool used for bending the tips in each direction you need them to go. You would insert the tip at the top here and be able to move it as needed. We have three different types of tips that come within the package for the laser function. One of them being the blue tips, which is used for perio. The other are the silver tips, used for general cutting. And the third are the gold tips, used for endo. This tip here is used for desensitization. These three tips here are each used for TMJ treatment. The unit is activated through this yellow button here on the handpiece. However, the unit is not sold with a foot pedal. Thanks for watching everybody. It's been Calvin from Woodpecker Dental, and I hope I made you smile today.